Okay, so Dan, we got to go right to it. I usually don't ask CEOs to opine on the stock. I want them to opine on their company. But I do have to wonder that maybe there's an overly negative reaction. You did have, a difficult transition right down a 4G product, but the future's 5G. You've got the best 5G. You got the best company in T-Mobile. So I'm trying to figure out whether the past is prologue or not.
Well, obviously, I'm not a market pundit, but I will tell you this. We are focused on the long-term trend, the secular trend. And for us, it's all about 5G. We continue to see strong demand for our 4G products. So you can think of it like layers on the cake. And 5G for both consumer as well as enterprise. We're launching a number of new enterprise products in the first half under Wavemaker Pro brand. And then our cloud subscription business grew triple digits last year. So I think there's some things going on in the company that we're not getting credit for. Clearly, tech has been a tough market recently, but we remain focused on the secular trends, and we're centering the company on those.
But you did say that in your term, it was hard to predict was a term you used. And then you said that some of your customers are in a wait-and-see mode. And when I read that, I said, uh-oh, wait and see may mean that there's going to be a gap in your sales and earnings.
Well, we've got, there's a few dynamics going on at one time. There's the post-pandemic trend line. Nobody can fully predict. But I will say this, the surge in demand we saw in our 4G products last year has abated, as you might expect. Mm-hmm. But as we predicted, we're seeing demand for our 4G products higher than pre-pandemic. We quadrupled our 5G revenue last year. That trend continues up to the right. We tripled our cloud subscription business last year. So I think there's a lot of dynamics in play. There's, as we refer to as crossing vectors, but long-term trends are up and to the right. So our investment strategy has not changed one bit.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.